Hey guys, and welcome back to another one of my videos. So when it comes to celebrating the fall, eating candy, getting cozy for the winter, and having an excuse to dress up, I really love this time of year. One of my favorite things to do is getting dressed up and coming up with clever costume ideas. So since I don't get to do it very often, any excuse to do that is a good excuse in my opinion. So my husband and I are pretty deep into the chess craze that, as much as I hate to admit it, was started by the Queen's Gambit show. We enjoy watching chess YouTube channels such as Gotham Chess,
The Rock!
Anna Cramling, the Botes sisters, and Hikaru, just to name a few. So in this video, I'm going to share how we put together our chess-related couples costume. Chris is going to dress up like Hikaru in his iconic pineapple shirt, and I am going to dress up like a queen chess piece. We bought Christopher's pineapple shirt off Amazon, and I'm pretty impressed with how much it looks like Hikaru's shirt. So after the shirt was purchased, I decided that I wanted to make a 3D printed queen chess piece crown. So I started off by 3D modeling. So at first I was planning on making a full-size crown that I would wear like a hat, but the issues that I had with that idea is that would mean that I would have to cut the 3D model into sections so that it could fit on my printer's build platform. Additionally, it would take about 4 days to print the entire thing. And although I was very careful to measure, I still wasn't 100% sure that the crown would actually fit properly after taking all the time to print it out. So I opted for a smaller version that I could print out in roughly 1 day. I then added holes to the inside of the crown so that I could tie ribbon strings to the crown and then be able to attach it to my head. Unfortunately, the lighting that I had set up wasn't ideal for filming the time-lapse footage, so it looks great when there is light coming from the window, but bad after the sun sets. Luckily, I opted for the smaller crown because I barely had enough filament to print the smaller version. Once the print was done, I purchased a roll of black ribbon from Michaels, cut the ribbon and attached it to the holes inside the crown. I burnt the ends of the polyester ribbon to ensure that the ribbon wouldn't fray. Please be careful if you try this, and don't burn the house down. To ensure that the crown wouldn't slide off my head, I tied my hair in a bun and put the crown over it. And here is our final look. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!